As is customary, we would not be giving you any startup capital or startup material, but we still give support at the beginning. Now, I know that among us, we have some persons who have never gardened and some persons who have been gardening for over 10 years. We have 92 persons registered, 73 persons registered for today. Our biggest registration so far and our biggest attendance so far. We still keep the WhatsApp group because from your feedback, we found out that's really, really helpful. We do see a trend that we want to stop this time. We would have a large number of persons registering and some people drop out. But let's see it as if I finish, whether I come first, I participate and I do have something to eat. Enough sometimes to sell. And you still get to benefit from cultivation. And you have the support of the Extension Officer. You have the support of the Rural Transformation Unit and the Ministry of Agriculture. And the judging will be in October as well. Some of the categories that the judges look at would be management of your garden. You're also judged for sustainability on your layout, the appearance, how you use the space to your garden. And we also look at use of technology. So things that you DIY stuff that you might use to make sure that your garden looks good. How well you use your mulching, could be plastic mulch, could be grass mulch, and so forth. Record keeping is an essential part of gardening. It helps you to be able to know when to harvest. So we are encouraging you to time your production so that you can display your produce as well as you can have a place to market at that World Food Day exhibition. World Food Day is on the 16th of October. Home gardens, it helps not only for us to eat, but we can make money from it too. And we do contribute as home gardeners to the reduction in the import bill. We do contribute to the problem of food insecurity and reducing NCDs.